Let's open this. This one came pre-punched for good luck. I really want Frankie Barista, but I'd be cool with Gigi Mail Delivery or Gigi Diner. We got Frankie, and the magnet says together it's gonna be okay. By the way, these are fridge magnet blind boxes. Okay, let's try again for Frankie, but the other version. No freaking way. We pulled our target, and this one says the coffee wasn't yours anyway. Also, I think I'm supposed to mention that you can find this on the Pop Mart website or on their TikTok shop. And last but not least, we pulled Gigi Catwalker, and this one says spinning round in rush hour. These are so fun, and they're gonna look so cute on my fridge.